In many ways, this device embodies the kind of thoughtful engineering that quietly improves your daily workflow. It saves time, it saves space, and it streamlines the entire experience into one cohesive charging station that feels equally at home in a minimalist office setup, a busy household, or the constantly shifting environment of travel. When I first lifted the lid of the compact, elegantly finished packaging, I immediately sensed that this 3-in-1 foldable inductive charging station was engineered with a clear purpose: to offer a unified, beautifully streamlined charging experience for my iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods, while eliminating the visual noise and everyday frustration associated with tangled cables, missing adapters, and the constant hunt for individual chargers. Inside the box, each component was neatly arranged and protected, from the foldable magnetic charging hub to the 18-watt PD 3.0 adapter, the USB Type-C cable, and the concise but effective user guide, all presented in an unexpectedly premium, gift-ready layout that made the unboxing feel more upscale than its compact form factor initially suggested. After several full charging cycles, I can confidently say that this 3-in-1 foldable inductive charging station is far more than a simple accessory. It is a functional upgrade that reshapes how I power my Apple devices every day. It delivers practicality, mobility, and a premium user experience wrapped in a beautifully compact form. Exactly what I look for in modern tech, designed to integrate seamlessly into my routine.